everyone, welcome back to another episode of HoodfuryTV, and today we got the cooking show part 2. Got a nice special whip up for you guys, a 2-in-1 special, cookies and dinner, all infused. Let's go.
You know what the fuck going on, boys? Back with the cookies. You know what I'm saying? That. A little bit of this, a little bit of that. You know what I'm saying? Should I make these shits a little smaller? Feel me? You know what the fuck going on? 2 batches. I get the next one ready. Preheat that oven. Almost ready to go. Let's get it. See you in 10. The moment of truth is here, ladies and gentlemen. Oh yeah, baby boy. You know what the fuck going on? Hoodfury, the baker, the chef. That's what they call me. You know I get jiggy in the fucking kitchen, my boy. Come on. Stop playing with me. The next batch. Got the infusion. Yes, sir. Now, gotta get messy. Get up in there, you know what I'm saying? Ooh, shit squirting on me, boy.
Hey, yo, what the fuck?
Fuck. Once you get it nice and mixed in there, you know what I'm saying? Just get you a little ball, you know what I'm saying? Boom. Throw that in the fridge. That's ready. The next batch will be ready. That. Time for the next batch. And I'm ready to go. Let's get it. Look at that. Woo! Beautiful. Love it. Blow that up. You know what I mean? What you looking for? Oh, that's a little big, actually. That's a little big. You know what I'm saying? I bless people up. I ain't blessing you like that, my boy. Make sure you just get about an ounce. You're looking like an ounce bar. So maybe a 1.5 ounce max. Once you start going above 1.5 ounces ball, you're a big ass cookie, bro. For real. Big ass cookie. Alright. Get this tray going. Still got the oven preheated, you feel me? So I can just drop these right in the fucking oven. Feel me? These are the Reese's Pieces in this motherfucker, you know what I'm saying? It's fire, bro. The way this infuses with the peanut butter, it's just gonna smack crazy different. You know? You don't want some of them big, some of them small, because then the motherfucker gonna be like, oh, I want that cookie. Nah, they're all the same, bitch. Take it or leave it. What the fuck is you talking about? All the same size, same texture. Wow. Like clockwork, motherfucker. That much left. I just make a big cookie and eat it my damn self. I'm saying big boy like that. You know what I'm saying? Woo! It's gonna be my cookie. And the next batch is ready to go. Splat. Give that about 10 minutes and we'll be back. Batch number 2. Let's get it. Blow. I'm saying we in there. Just like that. Boom. Second batch. Dunzo. Still got a little bit left over for our dinner. Let's get it. Alright, the moment is here. Taste test. Let's go. They feel soft. They feel like they're cooked perfectly. Damn! Now that's a cookie. Holy, what the fuck? That shit smack. Hey, listen, HoodfuryTV. That man can make a fucking cookie, bro. That shit up. I'm gonna have to have another one. I ain't gonna hold you. Fuck it. Infusions. I'll check in in an hour. See what I'm feeling like. This motherfucker's good though. I don't know why. Feel me? You got the taste test for the Reese's Pieces cookies. It's got a little crunch to it. Otherwise, a little softer. It's got a little crunch. Still busting. Still fire. I fuck with the other batch though. I ain't gonna hold you. See what I'm feeling like. It's gonna be my 3rd cookie. Shit. Good luck to me. Good luck to Hoodfury. Feel me? Now we on to the main course, ladies and gentlemen. Get a little bit of this, a little bit of that. Let's see what we got coming up next. Let's go. All right, so what you got working over here?
This is sofrito, garlic, and oil for the rice. That's the start. And then we have
what you got working over here?
garlic, butter, green beans. And then this is going to be for the steak over here because we're going to make some stroganoff.
Yeah, we want some steak.
Some quick stroganoff. We're not
Yep.
gonna
Okay. That's what we starting with. Okay, let's see what we got up next. Yeah, come bring the rice over.
Chicken bouillon.
All right. Boom. What else? Got the chicken bouillon.
Sazon.
Sazon.
Tomato paste.
Tomato paste, okay. Making that mixture.
Make sure you get all that out.
Yeah,
Like
all
all
that.
that. You want all that.
Fill the water in there.
No, don't mix it. Just leave it alone. Don't touch.
My
Please.
fault.
No flavor gets left behind.
Shit, boys.
Some more.
No flavor left behind, right?
Let's not
Come on
mess it
now.
up. I'm gonna turn the heat up a little more now because we're gonna add the rice in a sec.
What we got next?
Garlic powder. Oh, wrong way. Garlic powders.
Okay, slap that in there.
You just measure from the hard babies. We don't use, measure adobo.
Adobo.
It's gotta be the Goya.
Yep.
We don't play around with that. It's gotta be the official.
Slap
Don't go off brand.
Go ahead, man. You talking too much. You're not cooking enough.
I am.
Damn. Go ahead. Throw that shit in
This
there.
is important. Complete
What
seasoning,
else?
or you could use Italian seasoning. Either or, but you gotta have it. And now we're gonna add the rice. We're gonna add more water in a
We're doing
minute.
jasmine rice tonight, guys.
Yes.
Flavoring
I'm
that
turning the heat up
motherfucker.
now because you want it to come to a boil so that the rice can soak up for a little bit before you cover it.
All right, what else? What else is next? What else is next?
You gotta get you a whole bay leaf, as whole as
Whatever you can get,
whatever you
guys.
can get, it'll do.
know,
Just make sure they're not
Make
gonna
sure it works.
fall
Make sure it's a
apart.
bay leaf.
Get her. All right, whatever this will do. Have a good day.
Yeah.
So I'm letting it come to a boil, and then when it does for like a minute or two, and then you lower it, and we're gonna cover it. Quick.
What we got going on over here?
Whatchamacallit sauce, soy sauce, and cornstarch. We're gonna sear it high, just to sear it. Sear it before we simmer it and cook it the rest.
Boom, seared off that shit real quick. Now we gonna make the sauce. What we doing over
I
here?
just put like the tiniest little bit of butter. We're just gonna
Okay, what else?
get
What
all
else?
that
What
good
else?
stuff.
All that juice and everything from that, feel me? Stirring that up, making the sauce, boys. You know what I'm saying? All that cornstarch, whatever, all that flavor, seasonings.
We want all that because no
Yes,
flavor is what?
sir.
Left behind.
No flavor left behind, boys. Look at that. And we have nice brown gravy mixed in there, right? That's coming in
Yeah,
next?
it's next.
Okay.
And cream of mushroom soup. Trust the process. It looks caca right now, but trust it.
Oh, what we got here?
The cream of mushroom soup.
Cream of mushroom in this mug. This sauce gonna get thick. Yes, sir.
Trust the process. Looks a
Trust
little weird.
the
Looks a little weird, but
process.
just trust the process.
Found a whisk.
I discovered it.
Very good. Put the meat back in there. Oh, so you put it at the end to thicken.
To start. 'Cause
Okay,
gravy,
so there's a method to your madness.
yeah.
Okay.
Gravy
Makes sense.
thickens, babe.
Oh, okay. What we got going on over here?
This is the first stir, well, second stir, towards the end of the
mess.
rice because we're gonna take it off the heat soon and let it just steam off the heat.
See how we're working now.
Make sure you make a little teepee in the middle.
Okay.
Because if you make a little tower, well, the heat stays.
That's all you, boy.
So then make sure. No, you put this on for me. I said make sure it don't come off. My God.
I said it might. Damn.
Oh, you never said that. But you never said that.
You got this over here. Ooh,
Oh, that.
shit.
That's the garlic butter green beans.
Damn.
A little garlic.
How much you doing now?
Pouring the gravies in, and then I'm gonna simmer it on low, and I'm gonna cover it for a little bit.
That's a picking it up, right?
Numero uno.
Look how that's working.
Look at that. Okay.
Beautiful.
So we got the rice.
Beautiful.
And then
That's how we rocking.
garlic butter.
Yes, sir. Here's some drizzle. This little bit of it. I'm a pranker, guys. Watch this. I will put a little bit on her shit. I'm gonna get it. Watch. I'm gonna tell her later. Okay, here's the final product. Plated up. Beautiful. Gorgeous meal. Look at the thickness of that sauce. That shit does not play around. That rice is amazing. Let's go. We're gonna have the taste test in a second.
Taste test.
That rice. Everything. The sauce. It's go absolutely crazy.
What's your favorite?
Oh, that sauce is just.
The sauce?
The sauce goes crazy. Absolutely amazing. A1 meal. All right, taste test from the wifey, the chef herself. See what she thinks.
Absolute banger. That never fails though.
Yeah. What do you think about that meat? You gotta get that sauce on there, girl. You can get it saucy like mine. What you got going on? Come on.
I got my sauce. Look at the middle.
Get that sauce in there. Scoop that sauce. Now-
Garlicky,
now I gotta
delicious.
taste. What do you think?
Absolute banger.
Yeah?
Yeah. She's thick.
Yo, you know I infused that, right?
Thank you all for tuning in to another episode of Hoodfury TV. Hope you all enjoyed. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more.